Can you remove a song from an Instagram post after publishing? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the topic that says, can you remove a song from an Instagram post after publishing? So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here to tell you friendly, Instagram does not allow editing the music on a post once it's published. So the only way is to remove or change the song is to delete the post and repost it without music or with a new track. So here to do that, what you can do is just go to your profile and simply go to the post which you want to change the music to, and here once you've found that, what you can do is just tap on the three dot icon which can be seen in the top right corner of that post, and now here from the pop-up menu you can just tap on delete, and here once you have deleted the post you can open Instagram and create a new post with the same photo and add a desired song and post it again for your followers to see. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.